Hello guys, my name is ATP and welcome to a new episode of the Testing Indicators series. This is a series where in each episode I introduce you to new indicators and test them across thousands of trades and different timeframes and assets to discover in a fully transparent way if they are profitable or not. Currently, these are the indicators we have tested so far, ranked in this Excel sheet, which, by the way, you can access by clicking on the link that is in the first comment down below. In today's episode, we will analyze and test the number one custom indicator on TradingView used by over 80,000 traders, called the Squeeze Momentum Indicator. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So let's start by adding the Squeeze Momentum indicator to our TradingView charts. First, click on Indicators, then go to the Community section and then click on Top. You will see that the number one indicator is indeed the Squeeze Momentum, a free indicator provided by Lazy Bear. And I would like to take this moment to thank Lazy Bear for his great work in the trading community. Now we just need to click once on the Squeeze Momentum and it will be added to our charts. By definition, the Squeeze Momentum is a technical analysis tool that combines elements of the Bollinger Bands and the Keltner channel, and so it is a momentum indicator that helps traders identify the direction and strength of the market. If we go to the Lazy Bears page and search for the indicator, we can see that the creator suggests using the gray dots of the oscillator in combination with the momentum to enter in trades. However, after extensive analysis, I decided that for today's video it makes more sense to analyze entry points based only on the momentum, otherwise we might miss a lot of market opportunities. But if you'd like to see a test with these rules in another episode, like this video and tell me your opinion in the comments. As you can see, this is a momentum indicator based on an histogram. For today's episode, we will use it in the following way. Whenever a green bar appears, we will enter in a long position, and whenever a red bar appears, we will enter in a short position. Also, I will not make any optimizations to the settings, and as such, I will use the default ones. By looking at some examples, this indicator appears to be very precise. But to confirm if the results of this indicator are indeed profitable and efficient, we will need to properly backtest it. To do this, we will need three things. First, the technical system, second, the risk management rules, and third, the testing conditions. Regarding this last step, the testing conditions, they are always the same, so I can compare the different indicators I test fairly and efficiently. So I will backtest the Squeeze Momentum in three different time frames, the 30 minutes, the 1 hour and the daily one. On every time frame, I will use the data sample from 2022 and 2023 with an efficient and diverse portfolio of assets from different markets, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, three currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock. For the risk management, I will use the same method as in all the other episodes by using the ATR bands indicator, a volatility indicator that places the stop losses directly on your charts according to the market's volatility. The red line will be used to place stop losses for long positions and the green line for short positions. In addition, for every position, I will use a risk of 2% and a basic take profit at the 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio zone. I know this take profit is basic, but for this test it works and is simple. Nevertheless, if you would like to learn other take profit methods to make more profits in your trades, you can watch my series How to Start Trading as a Beginner, namely episode 2. Finally, regarding the technical system, in addition to the Squeeze Momentum, I will also use a 200 period exponential moving average as a baseline to filter out losing signals from the indicator. This way, I will only consider entry signals that are in the same direction as the trend given by this baseline. Here you have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 exponential moving average, and here you have a short trade example where the price is below this baseline. And in short, these are our backtest conditions. Let's now see how the squeeze momentum indicator performs. As usual, I will use my indicators testing bot to perform the backtests in a simple, quick and efficient way. To do this, I just need to go to the indicators tab again, search for ATP Premium Indicators Testing Bot and add it to my charts. This is a tool not only for backtesting but also for live trading, allowing for the testing of both individual indicators and complete strategies. As you can see, by entering in its menu by clicking on this button, I can set up everything from my data sample, trading sessions and risk management to selecting which indicators I want to test. Currently, you have 60 indicators available for testing with trigger, exit, volume and baseline functions, but every week new indicators are added. And yes, you can also use this innovative trading tool. In addition to me, dozens of traders also use it and the feedback has been amazing. To learn more about it, you just need one more time to access the indicators ranking link, which is in the first comment, and then click here. After selecting all the conditions we defined earlier, the squeeze momentum and the 200 exponential moving average with the confirmation function, you can see that the trading bot not only displays every valid trade on the charts, but also gives me the monthly results on this table and the overall statistics about each asset I want to backtest down below on the Strategy Tester tab. And because I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot takes, and that's what I'm going to do to create the trading journals. I will speed up the backtest, but you can slow it down in the YouTube settings. I'll see you in a minute. After inserting all the trades on my trading journal, here I got the results of the squeeze momentum indicator on the 30-minute time frame, here on the 1-hour one, and next to it on the daily time frame. In the 30-minute time frame, after more than 4,800 trades, it achieved a win rate of 49.11% and a net loss of 24%. Here you can check other metrics and also the results of every single asset. And by looking at the equity chart, we can verify that in this time frame, this indicator is not efficient and gives unstable results. But let's continue our analysis. Next, in the 1-hour time frame, things look much better. After almost 3,000 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of about 52.41% and the total net profit close to 380%. Again, here you can find other metrics including the drawdowns, which are much lower than the previous ones, and also the results from every asset, which are quite consistent. But the best thing to look at is the equity chart, which is highly consistent. And finally, on the daily time frame, after 130 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate of 50.77% and a net profit of 4%. Therefore, we can conclude that the squeeze momentum is probably an indicator more suitable for higher time frames, like the 1-hour one, than for shorter ones. Please keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings or even the assets, your results may change, potentially yielding better outcomes. So don't forget to always test your strategies before putting them in practice. In our ranking sheet, I believe the squeeze momentum's place is here, because despite this indicator being the best tested so far for the 1-hour time frame, overall these other indicators are more consistent across all the 3 different time frames, making them more adaptable, which is a very important factor for any trading indicator. And as such, the purple cloud will continue to be our top indicator tested so far, and you can watch the corresponding video here. If you have ideas for indicators to test in future videos, don't forget to share them in the comments or in my free Discord community. The link is also in the description. Also, if you enjoyed seeing my working methods and would like to work one-on-one with me to enhance your trading skills and become a better trader, you can see all my available services on my website, algotradepro.org. Before we finish, I would like to inform you that for both trading and investments I use XTB, which is not only the safest broker I know, but also offers me the most advantages, such as zero commissions up to 100,000 euros of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description. And that's it. Be well, thank you, and I see you in the next episode.